Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vibrant Glam. I hope you are all doing well and having great days. So I'm back with the wedding guest Smokey Eyes makeup tutorial. Let's start off with foundation. Don't forget to do your skincare. Here I used Miss Rose Professional Makeup Purely Natural Foundation in Ivory 6 along with BBA Amna Radiant Foundation Long Wear Matte in 06 Beige. Don't forget to dab it to blend it nicely. Just don't drag the sponge on your face. Please don't think that I am dragging my sponge on my face. It's because I sped up the video so it gives that look. Also, don't forget to apply some product on your neck. So I'm using more of the BBA Amna Radiant Foundation just to get the perfect match for my skin so that it does not look like more to the whitish side. Blend nicely. It is sort of a liquidy foundation, but the Miss Rose one is a bit thick one, so if you blend both together, use both together, they'll give a very good result. So I'm using Miss Rose concealer over here, which is in the shade beige 3. Till I put on my concealer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and please watch it whole for the full look and comment your thoughts down below. To set my base like properly, to melt it down, I use rose water on my face and then blend it with the beauty blender. I just realized previously I was saying it, calling the beauty blender a sponge, so please excuse me, I lost my brain. Next I will be putting on the BBA Amna HD setting powder in shade translucent. I'll do my under eyes, my chin, or specifically the areas where I applied concealer to, so that they set on perfectly. And for the rest of my face I'll just brush it off or like do it with the sponge with the least amount of product. And then I'll dust it all off so that it just blends in with the skin and it does not look chalky on my face. Just a quick tip here, just for the product to settle down, just give it 2-3 minutes before applying the next layer. So next I'll be going in with this blush collection of LA Girl. For some natural blush I'll be using the lightest shade in the palette, that it looks that I'm blushing from within. Moving on, next I'll be doing my eyebrows with this Miss Rose palette in shade 02. So first there is this pomade in this palette from which I like to outline my eyebrows so that I keep the shape, and then fill it in with the darker powder. So this day my eyebrows were not eyebrowing, they were not cooperating with me and they looked like a mess. And now I'll be bronzing up my face so that I don't look like a white ghost. And I'll also like sort of use it as a contour on my face. I'll apply it on my chin, on my cheeks, and a bit on my forehead, just so that my face looks sort of chiseled, that it is not, it's complete scam, dhoka, or whatever you want to call it. And then I'll be using the darker blush shade and going in because I need more of that lali, the redness. My mom gets annoyed by it. Oh, so I'm just telling my sister to get off the frame because she was annoying me that day as we were going on a wedding and we were getting ready together. For my eyes I'll be using the Too Faced Semi Sweet Chocolate Bar palette, and for my crease I'll be using the lightest with along with bit of the darkest shade and then blending it well. It's just to like give my hooded eyes a bit of a like an open look, a wider palette for my eye. And then I'll be going in with the black shade and applying it on the corner and blending it well. So just trust the process while you are applying the eyeshadow, because it took me quite a while just doing this thing. I look so weird constantly reminding my sisters to get out of the frame. So if you want a good eyeshadow look, just be patient with it and do loads and loads of blending so that it looks very smooth and delicious. I won't be cutting off this eye makeup part short so that you all can have a rough idea of how you can do it, because it's a makeup tutorial and obviously I'm here to show you how to do it. So when you are done blending with the outer part, it took me a lot of effort. Next we will be moving on to the inner part of our lid, and I'll be applying the concealer so that the shimmer sticks better and pops out when we apply it. Just blend a little bit of the product on the inner part of your lid, just setting the bit of it. And next I'll be going on with this eyeshadow kit from Miss Rose, and I'll be using this whitish shade that actually looked quite silver when I applied it. And then I'll be going on with the peach shade so that I can blend the harsh lines out and that everything looks seamless. This black part was getting on my nerves. So here we are, like almost done with it. And here is the final one. So before the rest of my eye makeup, I decided to do my lips, and this is a matte lipstick from BBA Amna in the shade Hold On. It's a bright red. Next I applied this kajal pencil from Miss Rose. Most of the products I use in this video are from Miss Rose. I just applied this roughly on my like outer side of the lower lash line. Next I applied this mascara from Miss Rose. It's a good one. It makes the lashes look voluminous, and then some action in the lower lash line, like the inner corner of the lower lash line. I just felt that my lips are missing something, a pinkish of shade, so I applied BBA Amna matte lipstick in the shade Pink Love. And here we are done with my look. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned something from this makeup tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.